Alright, well, it's running. Still clearing out the exhaust and the cleaner that I put in it. This is just mostly exhaust. And it's not done yet, but I've got a little bit of a whine. I think the belts are too tight. But it's not bad. It's quiet. Sounds really good. So I'm just going to loosen up the belts a little bit, I think. Happy, happy, happy. Oh, and I forgot a part. There it is, right there. I still got to put the drive lines on and put the radiator shroud on. Put the seat in because I took it apart to look at the alarm system. You can see some of the, well, you can't really see it, it's really faint, but over on the exhaust side, where I clean the exhaust manifolds, you can see where some of that cleaner is burning off. It's been running for about 2 minutes here, which is good, good, good. It was at 3,000 RPMs, and I had to adjust my cruise control. I taped it before I put it on, or before I took it off, but it was on a different, this is a different throttle body than what I had, so I don't think it mattered. It was specific for that throttle body. So, she's working. Still got to adjust the timing. Get the old timing light out and adjust that. It's getting better. It's getting cleaned out. Awesome. It'd be good to move this out of the driveway. It's been here for about a month. Wow, that sounds good. Alright everybody, thanks for watching.